Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video we will solve nice exponential equation 5 power t equals t power 625. We have to find the value of t. But before starting the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. We will start the solution of this question t power 625. We will take exponent 1 over t on both sides in the first step. This t cancel with this t. So 5 equals t power 625 over t. Now in the next step we will take the exponent 1 over 625 on both sides. T power 6 to 5 t whole power 1 over 625. This cancel with this. So 5 power 1 over 625 equals t power 1 over t. Or we can write this t power 1 over t equals 5 power 1 over 625. Now we can write right hand side as 5 power 5 over 5, which is 1, and this is as it is. We are doing this for our easiness. Now in the next step we will write the right hand side as 5 power this 5 whole power 1 over 5 times 625. 625 times 5 is 5 to 31, 3125. So t power 1 over t equals 5 power 5 whole power 1 over 3125. Now what is 5 power 5? 5 power 5 is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. It will be equals to 3125. So we'll put this value of 5 power 5 in the above equation. It will become t power 1 over t equals 3125 whole power 1 over 3125. Here we will use identity that x power 1 over x equals a power 1 over a. Then we can say that x will be equals to a. Here it is t power 1 over t equals 3125 power 1 over 3125. So x will be equal to a, t will be equals to 3125. So this is the final answer of t. Now we will check this answer of t by putting this in a given question. We have 5 power t equals t power 625. What is t? T is 3125. Here 3125 whole power 625. Now we can write the right hand side as this is what? This is 5 power 5 625. A power m whole power n can be written as a power mn. So 5 power 3125 is written as 5 power 5 into 625. What is 5 into 625? 3125. So 5 power 3125 equals 5 power 3125. It means left hand side equal to right hand side and the answer of T is correct. I hope you understand this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. If you have any query about this question, please post a comment. I will answer it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video.